Welcome to a tutorial on a new song called Perpetual Motion. I'll play the whole song first and then we will learn the pieces. Alright, so we're going to focus on 4 notes at a time. Your first notes are A, B, C, sharp. So let's try that. 1, 2, ready, go. Next part, B, C sharp, D, D. Okay, let's try those parts together. Listen first. A, B, C sharp, B, C, D, D. Good, one more time. A, B, C, C, B, C, D, D. Next part, C, D, E, C. Try that. Ready, go. Then D, B, E, E. Okay, let's try both of those parts together. Listen first. C, D, E, C, D, B, E, E. All right, let's play from the beginning all the way to there. A, B, C, C, B, C, ready, go! Good, let's try it one more time. A, B, get ready, here we go now. All right, next part sounds like this. So it's the exact same, but our ending is A instead of EE. Okay, so here's the music. Let's try that much together. 1 and 2 and open A, go! All right, let's try from the beginning up to that point. Here we go, open A. 1 and 2 and ready, go now. Awesome. Pause and practice if you need to. The next part, we're going to be on the E string, and we're going to place 3 fingers down on our E string, and we're going to play this. 3, 2, 1, 1, try that, ready, go. Try it again, 3, 2, 1, 1. Now 2, 1, E, E. Okay, let's put those parts together. Listen first. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, E, E, ready, play. Next part is this. 1, open, D, D. So 1, E, D, D, ready, go. Then C sharp, B, E, E. All right, that was a lot. Let's back it up to the 3 fingers on the E string, and we're going to play this. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, open, try that, ready, go. Freeze. 1, E, D, D, ready, go now. C, B, E, E. All right, let's try all of that together. 3 fingers on the E string. Make sure your fingers are right on those tapes. 3, 2, ready, here we go now. more time. Set 3 fingers. Ready, go now. All right, next part sounds like this. So again, it's the exact same, but the ending is 2 A's. Okay, let's try it. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, 1, ready, go now. Okay, let's put both of those parts together. So we play them basically twice in a row. Just each ending is a little bit different. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, 1, ready, go now. Okay, let's back it up. We're going to go from the beginning all the way to there. So A, B, C, C, B, C, D, D, 1 and 2 and open A, go. Awesome. Okay, I will make a next video for the second half of this song, so stay tuned. Thanks for practicing.